Hello everyone. Today we will take few trades. If you check here, we got a momentum. Okay, just now the breakout has been happened for the horizontal level of buyer's area. Okay, here we got doji. Now I will go with buyers here. Why? Because if you check after momentum, you got a doji after breakout also. There is no seller's power, so you can go with buyers here. So that's why I am trying to go with buyers, but I got late entry point. Let's see what will happen here. Okay, maximum try to trade in the zones only if possible. Maximum trade at the levels. Why? Because in the levels you will get maximum points, so easily you can win. You should maintain margin of safety at the same time. Okay, if you maintain margin of safety, even sometimes it is wrong also, you will win easily. So that's why I used to say every time, try to use margin of safety always. Okay. Okay, finally I think I got win here. Yeah, finally I got win. Here gap down. One, it was at the sellers and buyers SNR area. So that's the reason only I have going with sellers. Sometimes it is a tricky situation. Why? Because one, it is at the area exact. It is a SNR working line. So we can't think whether we should go with sellers or buyers. But I got 2 points. One, we have a level. Two, it is in a momentum, market wants to go down. That's the reason only I have taken with sellers. Otherwise, I could go with buyers here. Sometimes these are the trades which may confuse us more. So try to remember and try to avoid these kind of points when you are trading. Why? Because easily these will 50-50 chances. That's why. Because both the options are equal. So that's why I used to say these points. Okay. See, at the end of the time, it came with buyers again gap down. Okay, but this time I want to go with sellers here. Let's see what will happen. Why? Because if you do like this, if you get lost easily, you will lose your account. So that's why maximum try to trade with valid points. Here we have a level, but market has gap up, gap down. Maybe today is Monday, that's why market opening is not good. So that's why only. So try to trade whether market is in a momentum in these kind of areas. You will really get nice opportunities. Okay, without thinking these all things, you can go blindly with the favor of trend. Okay, here if you check, sellers are dominating. Okay. Yeah, finally, okay, we got doji. Oh, I should change the pair now. Why? Because the market is making trick. Okay. Here, what you expect after momentum, one candle easily you can go with sellers. That's why I used to say when you have no answers in the chart, just change the chart. In the next chart, you will get nice opportunities. That's why I try to use open 1 to 3 pairs. Why? Because in one chart, if we don't get any kind of opportunity, we can go for another chart and make easily profits. So that's the reason when we used to try to trade like this. Okay, maximum try to trade at the levels only. Here sellers are getting stronger. Okay, let me zoom out here whether I have any valid points or not. Yeah, I got win here. Okay, if I zoom out, okay, let me draw a trend line. Why? Because market is getting stronger. Still there is a gap, so I could go with sellers here. That's the only reason I am going with sellers. But left side we have a small clumsiness area. Maybe if possible the buyers may enter also. This is also a 50-50 trade. Okay. That's why I used to say every time, don't predict every candle. You predict, you should face some losses also. Okay. When you get profit, you need to face some losses too. That's why I used to show you even my losses also. Why? Because while continuously we are trading, we'll get easily losses. Okay. Now I have a doubt, but I will go with buyers only because here I don't have any kind of opportunity. Okay, this candle will be the decider. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, up to now I got two losses. One is in the previous chart. Oh, in that chart we have taken three trades. Okay, two win, one loss. Here just now entered after one win, one loss. Okay, this is the sixth trade, I think so. In that three, this is the sixth trade. Okay, let it be. Okay, let's see what market wants to decide here. Maybe it's Monday, that's why. Okay, this is also loss. Okay, finally we got three losses successfully within six trades. Okay, fine. Now I will try to trade. Here I got a logic. Okay, I will start now. Okay. Here, what you'll expect now, easily you can go with buyers. Why? Because if you check here, after you're getting loss, don't go with the aggression, don't keep higher amounts. Okay, maintain the amount. You should be confident. Okay, don't take multiple amounts. If you take like this, you will end up with the account will be zero within seconds. So that's why don't ever grow with aggression. Easily we can recover our trades. Okay, now we will recover our amount. Okay, don't worry, it's not a big deal. Okay, if two losses, okay, let it be. Maybe we missed some points, that's why we got lost. Okay, here we can go with buyers. Why? Because if you check the trend line, one, we got the trend line breakout. Okay, easily. And second thing, if you notice from the last four candles, you can see red green pattern. Okay, now what you will expect? Can you have any guess? As expected, you should follow the same pattern. Okay, only red green pattern. That's why I used to say in these kind of patterns, when they are starting, you feel market is moving whether sideways or uptrend or downtrend. So that's why when the pattern is going to start, we should be alert. Okay, don't go blindly, don't take trades blindly. If you take trades, just now you have seen two trades continuously, you got loss. Okay. Okay, finally we are getting sellers here. Okay, we have here support level. Obviously, if the level reaches over there, I will go with buyers again. Okay. Okay, here got finally we got sellers. Yes, sellers are too strong. Okay, exact market has been closed exact at the buyers area. So we can go with buyers. I have taken instant for buyers because my entry point should not get late, so that's fine. Because if you check the previous five candles, market is maintaining healthy candles. So that's the reason I am taking early trades. Nothing will happen. Yeah. Okay. Can you guess what is the next candle? You may think still the red green pattern is working or not. Here we got a strong support. Just now I have placed the horizontal trend line. Sorry, horizontal line. Now you can go with buyers. Okay. Maybe in between one or two sellers you may get, but you can continuously go with buyers. Let's see what will happen. Up to the level you can go easily. Okay, I think finally we got win. Yeah, again I am going with buyers. Why? Because previous was a strong area and we can go with buyers. If possible, I will take margin of safety too. That's why I used to say trade at the levels. Easily you can get wins. Okay. Okay, here sellers are getting strong. Okay, let's see what will happen. Don't ever trade without levels. When you don't have levels, wait for the right opportunity. Otherwise, if you have momentum, follow the momentum. Okay. I won't suggest you to trade in the middle of the trend blindly. When you open the chart, within 2 minutes you will check. Just try, sit before the chart, try to analyze just for 5 minutes, observe the chart. Okay. Here you got win. Okay. Now I have a doubt 50-50 trade. I will take only for $1. For buyers only, I will go in the favor of buyers. Why? Because previous area is a strong area. So that's the reason I am going with buyers. But if you check here, some weakness in the candle. So as I said before, one or two candles in the between easily will come. Let's see here what will happen. Okay. Oh, sorry, same chart. Okay. I tried to take margin of safety, but at the end of the time, it didn't happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, here buyers are getting strong. The time is completed. Finally, we got sellers. If I take margin of safety, I could definitely win. Okay. Okay, now I will confidently go with buyers only. Why? Because as I said before, market is coming from a strong area. In between levels, we get only retracements. Again, we can continue with the buyers only. Why? Because it's just not a stop, just a speed breaker. We can say like that. Again, we can continue with the buyers only. So that's why, and if you check the overall trend is down uptrend only, market is moving uptrend. So easily we can follow the buyer's power. That's why I used to say maximum try to trade at the areas. Why? Because if you don't take trades in the areas, you won't get a nice winning ratio. Okay. That's why maximum try to trade at the levels only. Follow the momentum and check the trend always. If the trend is clear, okay, here if you check left side, if you notice, we have a level. Okay. Even just now, the area is somewhat clumsy. So that's the reason only I am going with sellers here. Why? Because already, if you check, previous candle is a exhaustion type candle. It look like. Why? Because previous buyers are too weak. If that is strong, we will continuously we can go with buyers only. But there is a weakness and sellers have entered. Again, we got one of exhaustion type candle. For that reason only, I am going with sellers. I think this is my last trade. Approximately, I have taken last chart. I have taken three trades: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, this is the 13th trade. Okay, okay, total 13, 4 loss, 4 or 3, 4 loss. I think so. 9 or win. Anyways, that's why take trades at the levels only. Okay, thank you.